You closely monitor Seller Central, and it is very precise with what's been sold. You get emails coming through to your desktop all the time telling you that you've sold a product, and just keep an eye daily of what your inventory is like, and you will get notification of when your products are running low. And the algorithm doesn't like it when you run out. I must admit, we did run out of stock after Christmas, and it took us a couple of months to, get back our algorithmic form. How hard is it to change?
Oh, sorry.
What's that? Sorry, Pippa?
I was going to add to that about the inventory, because I'm managing stock selling on Amazon US and Australia and my own website and eBay. So that's when it gets a bit trickier. However, I guess you've got to wait. There's a whole lot of inventory management systems that you can spend a lot of money on. A lot of the accounting software, I use QuickBooks, and there is an add-on to that. I've actually just found managing it through syncing like a very complex Excel document to the back end of eBay and my website, and that's worked for me. At some point I may get a proper inventory management system up and running and pay for it, but I think you have to, there's 100 subscriptions that you could have, and you just really got to, and it's where your strengths lie as well. If you're not very good with Excel, then, you might want to pay the extra money, but, outside of Amazon, there are, Excel does a good job for most of the other sales platforms that I've found.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.